56-inch Icon toolbox from Harbor Freight. It'll come on this pallet. You have to unbolt it, roll it down, and everything you need is in the bottom drawer here. Yeah. Plugs in the front. Power drawer. It has 6 plugs, 2 USB. Gun drawer. Has a rail in the middle, but I took it off. Pretty deep, 25 inches. It's not bad. They have these adjustments on the side for the tension to close and open. Give you 2 keys for the locks. When you buy it, you have to have it delivered. You can't pick it up from the store. I wish they would have told me that, but they didn't. Overall, I took maybe 2 weeks to get it. Others wait 2 months, 3 months, especially for the green box.